Okay. Alrighty. It's 7:30 in the morning. And oh shit. Mama. And we already have our outfit picked out. A new outfit we purchased. Really cute. Wait till I show you. Now I want to go find a pair of blue slip-on canvas shoes for it. But yeah, so here, let me show you. Picked up these Messini jewelry, these earrings. Aren't these cute? So I think that would look glorious. And I might look for a tunic tee, a V-neck tunic tee, so that would match this, just in case, you know, everything happens with white when I wear it. So I like how these have these little hooks on there so you can hang clothes. Okay, so before I show you the shirt, show you the pants. Really cute, huh? Very comfy too, like PJ pajamas. But yeah, this is a 1X, the pants. And they were $28. It looks like there was a $14 stamp. And then it brought down more. $7 I got these for. And then let me show you the top. I am not sure how much the regular price was. But I got it for $11.20. The top is a 3X. You can, if you are trying to go to Myers to find this on a clearance rack at your Myers. Okay, look, I'll just tell you. I get stuff off the clearance rack at my Livonia Myers. So, my Livonia Myers. So, you may want to swing out this way. But this is darling. So this is the back. It's a peekaboo back. So, and then you have that. Then they're puff sleeves. And there are like little shoulder pads. So, yeah, you guys. So this is my Fashion Find Fridays. I call it that because I find the fashions on Friday. And I thought it would be a cute little series. And ooh, let me show you something very quickly. So I really do need to get a jewelry box because I am getting quite the collection. Oh, and if you saw my rock box video, I'm not keeping that. So, but yeah. I had this little hanger. I think it had socks on it, and I thought it would be perfect for right now. I just have this hanging on my little lamp, that, and then this other hanger. These had capris. And then I have a huge haul video I need to upload. So, and this is what I'm about to show you. This is an item from that. But look how cute. So, these were actually 3 individual boxes. And I use super glue to glue them. And they stay perfectly fine. Let me show you. So, each box I have a different jewelry item in it. Yeah, I found this at my Dollar Tree. But I need to get one of those like big cases. Like my mom, she found this cute case for her costume stuff. Dang it. So that, these were the only 3 they had. Well, they had one other design, but it didn't match. That. But yeah, I want to get like the type of case that my mom has for her stuff. I want to get one like that. But okay, you guys. So yeah. Well, I think I'm just gonna leave this as this video for my Fashion Find Friday for now. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. If it ends here now, I bid you adieu. And I'll see you next video. Or if it continues because I found a couple more items, it continues. But, okay. Bye.